Hi, my name is Raul LUGO. I have many years of experience solving problems and bringing solutions to many companies. Today, I would like to share with you 5 best secrets of sales. It will help you increase your sales, make more money, and help a lot of people. I've been in the sales industry for more than 18 years. Some of the people that I helped before are over here. Ikea, Subway, Advanced Auto Parts, Mattress One, Doctors, Pan American Grain, a lot of them. I've been consulting them, giving them strategies, how to increase their sales, how to get more business to the doors, how to have a great customer service. But today, this is for you. I want to share this with your sales team, with your managers, with your people, because it's going to be very important. Please have a notebook, have a pen, and write these 5 secrets for sales. But first, let me give you an appetizer. Let me give you something to start, because this is very important for you. 3 nuggets of advice. Number 1, you need to decide to be great. You're not average. You need to be great. You need to decide to be number 1. You need to commit to greatness. Once you decide to do that, then you go to the next level. Then you go to the next step. Then you go to the next dimension. Decide to be great. Number 2, you need to sell to your potential. What does that mean? That means that you have a potential inside of you, greater than you think. It's okay that you have some quota, you have some budget to make and to reach them, but you can exceed them. Let me tell you that again. You have the abilities to exceed your quota and your budget, but you need to sell to your potential. There's potential inside of you. You need to develop it. You need to go for it. You need to do more. Number 3, commit 120%. Yes, commit 120. You need to be hungry. You need to be immersed in the sales career. You need to eat, you need to drink, you need to breathe sales. How do you do that? Watching videos, listen to podcasts, reading books about sales. You need to commit 120%. This is the 3 nuggets of advice in order for you to be a successful salesperson. The time to do it is now. Let me tell you something, because you're watching this, you are in the top 10% of people that want to be successful. Congratulations. Keep watching this, because it's going to be more important for you, and you're going to be selling a lot. It doesn't matter what industry, selling is what you need to do. Stay tuned.